Finally, my loyalty to making so many purchases from Yes Style has paid off because they contacted me and decided to send me a goodie box. So I'm like, ooh, yay, fun. They also gave me a gift card to use to pick out some things. So I'm gonna play around with them. One of the items that I chose was a pony effect cushion. This is the Cover Stay Cushion Foundation EX, and it is in the color tan. I do plan on getting, I think I've gotten a bit tan, I don't know. So let's try it out. It's hot. Oh, it is not too dark at all. I think this is like a step darker than number 23, which is usually like the darkest. Oftentimes the darkest that cushion foundations will go. It's super high coverage. I probably should have dabbed a lot less. This is a lot of foundation. Oh, it is so hot. I know it's like becoming fall winter time, but I'm in Hawaii and so it is like hot. Next I'm going to do my eyes, and they sent me this Moonshot eyeshadow in Lively Coral, and I'm so glad that they are coral colors. Sometimes I forget to apply my foundation afterwards, so I'm gonna take this peachy color, the light peachy color, right here. Getting that deep color. Oh my gosh. That scared me. Some papers fell from the fan. Oh yeah, I got some fallout. I'm gonna have to just clean that, forget it. I'm holding the mirror with one hand, so I can't hold the tissue. And then what I really should have done was I should have applied my eyeshadow before my foundation. Every time I use a Moonshot product, I think of Lisa from Blackpink. And she's my favorite. Apply a little bit of the lighter color up in here. The fun part, this glittery bit. Tap, tap. I'm gonna clean this fallout mess. Yeah, there was no rescuing all that fallout. I just got so excited by the foundation that I just wanted to apply it first. My friend's actually on her way from the airport, so I'm trying to finish my makeup before she comes and arrives. It's all because I was taking a nap and I want to continue taking a nap, so I woke up later than I should have. Oh, and they gave me this. This is the Tony Moly Cheek and Shading Brush with... No, wait, this is not Tony Moly. This is Moni. I totally thought it was Tony Moly. Moni Queen New York. And it comes with a brush, and the brush is quite nice. It's a synthetic brush, and it's quite soft. There is what I think is a blush in the Moonshot palette. So I'm gonna take this, get it onto here. This is a pretty good brush. It's like good enough to stand on its own. A little bit of that coral color right on the very tip. Even though I do have an eyeliner tattoo, I like to still use eyeliner. This is the brown eyeliner from Clio Professional. And I got a lash perm. I removed my eyelash extensions. Now I got a lash perm, so I don't have to deal with curling them. And I can use non-waterproof mascara. which is absolutely worth it. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara. I love it because it comes off super easy just with water, a little bit of warm water. I always hated curling my eyelashes when I didn't have eyelash extensions. I just in the mood for a change. That's why I removed my eyelash extensions after like almost 5 years of consecutive wearing. The pandemic kind of forced me to deal with natural lashes, and then once I got extensions again, I was like, I don't know. So now I'm going for the middle ground of just getting a lash lift. For some reason, I think my friend's just gonna like show up at my door, but she needs the keys to get up to this floor. Now I'm going to use this for shading. It's got 3 shades. So I saw this image on Instagram and I'm going to try following it. They actually incorporate all 3 colors. So, okay, number 3 is the darkest. So you put it here. You also put number 3 here. Oh, you know what? I feel like the pony foundation is too pink as well. Then they use the number 2 more up. I think it's this one. So use a more darker shade on the jaw, and then the slightly lighter contour shade in the middle, in the cheekbone area. Oh, and then 1 and 2 for the nose. I don't really like contouring my nose. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna, it's just not my thing to do my nose. I feel like it kind of makes me look like I have a nose job, and that's just not what I'm into. These are some products that I chose. So I got the Romand See-Through Matte Tint. Now let me tell you, when I first swatched this on my hand, I totally thought, what the heck? This texture is so weird. It's so silicone-y and like a primer. How is this gonna work? But you know, when I put it on my lips, it worked. And it's a quite nice color. It has this kind of like fruity candy smell. This is number 1, Pink Fold. I do like the see-through tints. They have this really soft texture to them. And, you know, it has that see-through color, so it's not like this overwhelming color, which I really like. And I got this Moonshot Cream Paint Tint Fit color in number 503, Hazel Rose. The packaging is so cute. And this one is like a bright pink, almost like red. And then this is the one that they sent me. This is the Moonshot Tint Fit Shine in 504 Merry Orange. And I am happy that they gave me a warm color. And this one is like the antithesis of the Tint Fit paint colors, because this one is in white and the Tint Fits are in a black packaging. These have a more shiny finish. Alright, so this is my completed look with the Yes Style products that they gave me. I'm so appreciative that, you know, they did this. If you decide that you want to purchase something from Yes Style, I do have my code, and I would appreciate it if you use it. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.